Hey there, welcome to my channel, and in this video you're going to learn everything you need to know about NumPy Python library. So this is an introduction video, and in the upcoming video I will teach you the essential functions, attributes, methods that are available in NumPy using my Colab. So stay tuned for that. Let's get into the introduction. So what exactly is NumPy? If you have no idea what is a NumPy, here is the answer. So first of all, NumPy stands for numerical Python, and it is a Python library which helps us to create arrays. It helps us to create one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, and three-dimensional array, and more. And within NumPy, we have a lot of functions which we can use to operate on those arrays. So why we need array in the first place? Let me answer that question. Uh, if you're someone who is into the world of data, say you are a data analyst or you are a data scientist or even a machine learning engineer, you will be working with datas. So your datas will be in a form of tables like this, right? It will be in a form of table and you will have plenty of values inside it. And each table has values. I mean, each table is a collection of a lot of columns, right? For example, this table has 5 columns and values. So this single column can be considered as a row. This single column can be considered as an array. As you can see here, when I can also represent this column as an array. Column 2 is an array of values 5, 6, 4, 7, and so on. I will also explain you the importance of array. Say you're working with an image. I have an example for you here. Let me go to that example. Say you're working with image data, whether it is a grayscale image is also known as black and white image, or you're working with a color image. First, let's take grayscale image. If you're working with a grayscale image, as you know, image are just collection of pixels, and the width, as you can see, consider this image, and I've divided the image into its pixels. This image has 19 pixel in the width and 14 pixel as height. So the dimension of this image will be 19 into 14. If we consider this as a grayscale image, each pixel will have a value between 0 and 255. As it is a grayscale image, it will be either black or white or the color in between, like a dark gray, light gray, and so on. So if the this pixel, let's take this pixel. If the value of this pixel is 0, then this pixel is a black. Okay, and if the value of this pixel is 255, it's white. As you can read it from here, if it's a grayscale image, then each pixel will have only one value in it between the range of 0 to 255. So 0 is completely black and 255 is completely white. So here is how a grayscale image can be represented as array. You can see only one value is there in every array. If we take color image, in color image, we will have RGB values. So the first number represents the intensity of red, the second number it represents the intensity of green, and the third number represents the intensity of blue. So if we consider this pixel as a red color, then the value of this pixel will be 255, 0, 0. I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. And Arrays are very much similar to list, but there is a difference. Let me tell you what is the difference. I hope you know Python list about Python list. In Python list, we can store multiple values with different data types. You can see here we have a integer data type values 6 and 5, and a boolean type, a string type, and a floating point type. And one more thing, what list does is it stores the its element in random memory locations like this. But when it comes to array can only contain values of similar data types. If you are creating an array with alphabets, every element should be alphabet and it should be string. If you're creating an array with number, all the elements in that array should be a number. And one advantage that array has over list is it stores all its element in contiguous memory locations, which means it will be in an order. So when accessing it, it will be quicker than a list. So that's why we need NumPy to work efficiently and with less memory consumption. So what is the prerequisite to watch this course? I would say all you need to know is Python. Not even advanced Python, all you need to know is basic Python. And these are the things that I'm going to teach you in this course. Stay tuned for